Hello everyone. We are learning chapter 5 industries and today you are going to know about industrial regions. When an industry develops at a location, people settle in the region to take advantage of the employment opportunities it provides. Transport facilities and facilities for banking, power supply, water supply, etc. These all are developed to serve the industry and its employees. The industry also attracts other industries which use its product as raw material or make use of the facilities available in the region. This leads to a high concentration of industries in the same region. Such a region is often called industrial region. The chief industrial regions of the world are located in Europe, North America, and Eastern Asia. This map is clearly shown the part of Asia. This is Eastern Asia. And the students, you all recognize the countries which are located here in North America. So the regions which are shown in the map are explaining about industrial region. India is one of the world's 20 most industrialized nations. India's chief industrial regions are the Mumbai-Pune region of Maharashtra, the Ahmedabad-Vadodara region of Gujarat, the industrial belt along the river Hooghly in West Bengal, and so on. In India, cotton textile industries we can see in Maharashtra and Gujarat, jute industry we can see in West Bengal, sugar industry we can see in UP and Maharashtra basically, and vegetable oil industry, tea industry in Assam and West Bengal, coffee industry in basically Karnataka, leather goods industry which is in Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. So parallelly we can understand industrialization and industrial regions. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Keep learning.